Hello there, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Brown Dust 2. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm doing pretty bad, but you can actually get unlimited gems with this mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. It's super cool, guys, so this totally works. So I'm just going to enable unlimited gems right there, and let's see if they go up. So currently there's no change on the game, but let's see if we have a change today. And yo, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the Brown Dust 2 for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Dang, so this is fully working, guys. So let's get into it. So to download it, we're just going to go to tweakmod.com. We're going to type in Brown Dust 2. You can see right here, press install. Now we just have to wait for it to download the modded version for our device. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load. Alright. So just going to wait for it to load up. So basically, guys, what we have to do is download these apps. It's a verification. It's the final step. And this will just ensure that we get the Brown Dust 2 modded version onto our phone. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So basically, it's just going to load up, and it's going to say, like, please download the missing files. So just download 2 of these apps. They're all from the App Store. This one's easy. You just got to reach level 9 on this game called Travel Town. So if you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. Since I'm on an Android, it brought me to the Play Store. But there's tons of these. You got Merge Gardens, which also is reach level 9, TikTok, Cash Giraffe. So pretty easy to do, but that's how to get it. So try it out for yourself, guys. Unlimited gems. It's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you play Brown Dust 2 and you want to have unlimited gems. That is so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is fully working.